Most e-commerce founders think the only way to increase profit is to find a winning ad. But that's exactly why your margins are getting crushed right now. If you're still trying to outbid the giant brands on Meta, you're going to go broke just trying to stay relevant. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step profit-first framework we use to take brands from barely breaking even to 20 to 30% net margins without spending an extra dollar on cold traffic. I know this works because we've recently used this exact sequence to help a skincare brand increase their bottom line profit by 31% in just 45 days, simply by optimizing what happens after the click. Step number 1, fix your checkout with an offer bump. Most of you are letting customers check out with just a single item. And that's a crime against your profit margin because you already paid for the traffic, you already convinced them to buy, their credit card is already out, and then you just let them leave. What I would do immediately is add a high margin offer bump or a post-purchase upsell right after the initial purchase. And this is not about being pushy, it's about being smart. So this could be a complementary product, a refill, a bundle upgrade, an accessory, or a frequently bought together item. The key is that it has to make sense with the original purchase, be frictionless, and feel like a no-brainer add-on for this customer. And even a 10 to 20% take rate on a post-purchase upsell can dramatically increase your average order value. And here's the important part. This doesn't increase your ad spend at all. It's just the exact same traffic, it's the same conversion rate, but it's just more revenue and more profit for your store. So this one change alone can turn a barely profitable ad account into a very healthy one. And before we move on to step number 2, just a quick reminder. If you're just starting with profit optimization and you don't know how to use email and SMS marketing to your full advantage, you can download a free email marketing course via the link in the description. Step number 2, turn on your cash cow automated email and SMS flows. And this is where most brands leave an insane amount of profit on the table. If you want fast profit, you don't need more sales campaigns. And you don't need more ads. You need to turn on the money printing machine you already paid for. I'm talking specifically about 2 email and SMS flows. The welcome series flow and the abandoned checkout flow. Let's start with the welcome series because this one is criminally underutilized. Here's what most founders don't think about. You already paid Meta or Google to get that person to your site. If that person leaves without buying, and you don't have a strong sign-up form and welcome series, you now have 2 bad options. You either lose them completely or you have to pay again to retarget them with ads. So a proper welcome series flow eliminates that problem. Instead of paying for retargeting ads, you're now converting those same people through email and SMS at a much higher margin. And that immediately improves your return on ad spend, your blended customer acquisition cost, and the effectiveness of your ads overall. Because now, even if someone doesn't buy on the first visit, the traffic is not wasted. And that first 48 to 72 hours after signing up is the highest intent window you will ever get. People are paying attention. They remember your brand and they remember why they signed up. And if your welcome flow is only 2 emails long and generic and has been updated in a year, you're burning money you've already spent. And a strong welcome series builds trust. It handles objections and guides the purchase. And it converts people without paying for another click. That's why it's one of the fastest ways to improve profitability without touching your ad budget. Now, the second cash cow is the abandoned checkout flow. And these are people who already added product to their cart, already started the checkout, and then they left. So this is not a traffic problem, this is a conversion problem. And instead of immediately throwing discounts at them, we focus on objection handling first. Delivery, returns, quality, support, social proof. Only after that, we escalate with urgency or incentives. We've had multiple cases where a single well-built checkout flow covered an entire month of ad spend without sending a single campaign. And these 2 flows alone can dramatically increase profit simply by fixing what happens after the click. Step number 3, aggressive cross-selling post-purchase. And this step is where brands either get it very right or very wrong. And almost every single time we analyze clients' data, we see the same thing. The first to second purchase usually happens within 30 to 40 days after the first order. That's the golden window. But most e-com brands completely ignore this, simply because they're too scared to ask for another purchase. So what do? They wait until a customer win-back flow that triggers 90 to 120 days later. By then, the momentum is gone. The customer has forgotten why they bought from you in the first place. They already are looking at competitors again, and post-purchase is not the time to disappear. It's really the time for you to reinforce the buying decision, to educate this new customer, to show them how to get the most value out of their product, and naturally introduce the next logical purchase for them. And don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean spamming, but it means smart sequencing. So for example, product usage guidance, refill reminders, complementary products. And when done right, this increases your first to second purchase rate and your customer lifetime value. And of course, your overall profit. And again, no extra ad spend is required, leading to more profit for you. Implementing these 3 steps will get you a quick injection of cash. But to be honest, this is not enough to build a brand that lasts 10 years or longer. You need a comprehensive retention strategy that works with your acquisition channels and not against them. So if you want my team to step into your Klaviyo account, audit your current email and SMS setup, and build this profit infrastructure for you, click on the link in the description to book a call with us. And if you aren't ready for that yet, that's fine. You should go watch this video right here on my complete $300 million email and SMS system for e-commerce brands. After watching it, you'll know how to build a system for email or SMS tailored for your e-commerce brand. It's really good, I promise. So see you over there.